Namaste everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you to this beautiful energetic video on Surya Namaskar. Today, I will be guiding you through the series of this amazing practice also known as Sun Salutation. It is a complete workout for your body, mind and spirit. It involves 12 powerful asanas that enhance strength, flexibility and mental clarity. Surya Namaskar is also known for boosting the cardiovascular health, improving digestion and detoxify the body. So let's get started. Step 1. Pranamasana, that is prayer pose. Stand at the front of your mat with your feet together. Bring your palm together in front of your chest in a prayer pose. And take a few deep breaths. Stand tall with your spine erected. Distribute your weight evenly on both feet. You can keep distance between the feet if needed. Keep your shoulders back and down. Don't slouch your shoulders. Hold this pose for 10 seconds. It calms the mind and reduces the stress. It improves concentration and mental clarity. Step 2. Uttanasana, that is raise arm pose. Inhale and lift your arms up over your head. Gently arch your back and stretch your whole body backward. Engage your core and keep your biceps close to your ears. Stretch upward and slightly backward. Don't overextend your neck. Hold this pose for 10 seconds. This asana will stretch and tone the abdominal muscle. It improves digestion and lungs capacity. It enhances overall body posture. Step 3. Hastapadasana, that is standing forward bend. Exhale and bend forward from your hips. Keeping your spine straight, place your hands beside your feet on the ground. Keep your all 20 fingers in a straight line. Keep your knees slightly bended if needed. Look straight, avoid rounding of your back. Hold this pose for 10 seconds. It will give good stretch to your hamstring, to your calf muscles and to your hips. It improves digestion. Step 4. Ashwa Sanchalanasana, that is Equestrian pose. Inhale, take your right leg back and down. Knee on the floor, forefoot on the floor. Look up and push your hips down. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle. Keep your back leg extended and strong. Hold this pose for 10 seconds. This asana strengthens the legs and increases the flexibility in the hips. It improves balance and mental focus. Step 5, that is Kumbhakasana or plank pose. Exhale, take your left leg back and bring your body into a straight line. Engage your core and hold the position. Keep your shoulders over your wrist. Engage your abdominal muscles and leg. Don't let your hips go too down or too high. Hold this pose for 10 seconds. It will strengthen the arm, shoulders and core. It improves the posture and balance. It enhances the stamina. Step 6. Namaskar, that is 8 limb pose. Exhale, knee on the ground, chest between your hands and chin on the floor, keeping your hips lifted. Your 8 body parts, that is your toes, your knees, chest, hands and chin, they are touching the floor. That is why this asana is known as Namaskar. Keep your elbows close to your body. Ensure your hips stay lifted. Don't let your belly touch the floor. Hold the pose for 10 seconds. This asana will strengthen the arm and chest. It improves the flexibility of the spine and shoulders. Step 7. Bhujangasana, that is cobra pose. Inhale, slide forward with the help of your toe and lift your chest up into a gentle back bend. Keep your elbows slightly bent and close to your body. Press your legs and feet firmly into the ground. Don't overstretch your lower back. Avoid lifting your shoulders towards your ears. Hold the pose for 10 seconds. This asana will strengthen the spine and open the chest. It stimulates the abdominal organ and relieve mild back pain also. Step 8. Adho Mukha Svanasana, that is downward facing dog. Exhale, lift your hips up and form an inverted V shape. Press your heels towards the ground and extend your spine. It's okay if your heels are not touching the ground, but remember, elongate your spine. Spread your fingers wide and press your hand firmly into the mat. Engage your core and leg. Don't round your back. Avoid straining your neck. You can bend your knees if needed. Hold the pose for 10 seconds. It stretches the hamstring, calf muscle and shoulder. In fact, it stretches the entire body. Step 9. Ashwa Sanchalanasana, that is equestrian pose. Inhale, take your right foot forward between your hands and keep your left knee to the floor. Look up and press your hip down. Hold the pose for 10 seconds. Ensure your frontal knee is directly above your ankle. Don't let your front knee go past over toes. Keep your back leg extended and strong. Step 10. Hastapadasana, that is standing forward bend. Exhale, take your left foot forward and try to touch both the palm to the ground. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Look straight. Hold the pose for 10 seconds. Avoid rounding of your back. Keep your spine elongated. Step 11. Uttanasana, that is raise arm pose. Inhale, lift your arms up over your head and gently arch back. Stretch your whole body backward. Engage your core muscle. Keep your bicep close to your ears. Stretch upward and slightly backward. Hold this pose for 10 seconds. Don't overextend your neck. Now last step number 12, Pranamasana, that is prayer pose. Exhale, bring your arms down by your side and stand tall with your spine erected, both the arms in front of your chest in Pranamasana, and take a few deep breaths. Distribute your weight evenly on both the feet. Your shoulders should be relaxed. Hold the pose for 10 seconds. It will improve posture and balance. Repeat the same with other side also. This time we will take left leg back. Let's do it together. Step 1. Pranamasana. Stand at the front of your mat with your feet together. Bring your palms together in front of your chest in a prayer pose and take a few deep breaths. Distribute your weight evenly on both the feet. You can keep the distance between your feet if needed. Your shoulders back and down. Step 2. Uttanasana, that is raise arm pose. Inhale and lift your arms up over your head. Gently arch back and stretch your whole body backward. Engage your core and keep your biceps close to your ears. Step 3. Hastapadasana. Exhale and bend forward from your hips. Keep your spine straight. Don't round your spine. Place your hands beside your feet on the ground. All the 20 fingers should be in one line. Look straight. Step 4. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Inhale. Take your left leg back and down. Knee on the floor. Look up. Push your hips down. Make sure your frontal knee is directly above your ankle. Keep your back leg extended and strong. Step 5. Kumbhakasana. That is plank pose. Exhale. Take your right leg back. Engage your core and hold the pose. Keep your shoulders over your wrist. Engage your abdominal muscles and leg. Step 6. Namaskar. Exhale. Knee on the ground. Chest between your hand and chin on the floor. Keeping your hips lifted. Keep your elbows close to your body. Step 7. Bhujangasana. Inhale. Slide forward with the help of toe and lift your chest up into a gentle back bend. Keep your elbow slightly bent and close to your body. Step 8. Adho Mukha. Exhale. Lift your hips up and form an inverted V shape. Press your heels towards the ground and extend your spine. You can bend your knees if needed, but remember, elongate your spine. Step 9. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Inhale. Take your left foot forward between your hands. Keep your right knee to the floor. Look up and press your hips down. Make sure your frontal knee is directly above your ankle. Step 10. Hastapadasana. Exhale. Take your right leg and try to touch both your palm to the ground. All the 20 fingers should be in straight line. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Look straight. Elongate your spine. Step 11. Uttanasana. Inhale. Lift your arms up over your head and gently arch back. Stretch your whole body backward. Engage your core and keep your biceps close to your ears. Step 12. Pranamasana. Exhale. Bring your arms down by your sides and stand tall with your spine erect. Both the arms in front of your chest in Pranamasana. Take a few deep breaths. Distribute your weight evenly on both feet. Keep your shoulder relaxed. Keep breathing. This is Pranamasana.
And that's all about Surya Namaskar. I hope you know how to perform each asana and understand the wonderful benefits of this practice can bring to your body, mind and spirit. Thank you for joining me in this Surya Namaskar practice. Regular practice of this sequence will enhance your physical, mental well-being, boosting your cardiovascular health, improving digestion and detoxify your body. Remember to listen your body and move at your own pace. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more yoga videos. Namaste.